Hello class 5, welcome to online science classes of HPS. Today we are going to study chapter number 21, Life is Precious. Okay children, this is a very easy chapter which you have also studied in your previous classes. See, it is a chapter about how we should be safe and how we can be safe, how the accidents can be reduced. If we are safe, all the environment, all the surrounding can be proper. If we are following the proper rules, then we are going to always be safe and no accidents are going to take place with us. See, we should always follow the traffic rules. We know that it is all for our safety only. We should wear helmets while we are driving or riding a two-wheeler or a scooty. Then we should put our seat belts when if we are driving or if we are traveling in a car. We should always use seat belts. See, here the different signs are given what we should follow on the roads. You must have seen we should follow the red lights, we should follow the signals. Red light says go, red light says stop, green light says go. We should follow these instructions which are given on the road because it is for our safety. It is not a burden, but it is for our safety. Then what all things? Accidents, because if we follow the rules, accidents can be avoided. What other things should we do? We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should see whether the signal is red or green, isn't it? Then we should not drive under the influence of intoxication. So we should drive over a speed breaker, what the speed should be there. We should also follow some safety rules at our homes also. And see, we should always take a ticket if we are going somewhere. Then at a bus stand or a train, we are going to travel with a bus or a train, we should always purchase the tickets. We should not go for a free ride. Okay, this is all for our safety purpose only. Then this chapter is telling about that we should always follow some certain rules which are good for us only, for our people only. We should always follow the traffic rules, safety rules on the road, at home, so that we will be avoided from the traffic accidents. Okay, it is a very easy chapter children. You will get the question answers afterwards. This is all for now. Thank you and have a good day.